What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide text message notification content on lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy phone, right? So in order to do this, you want to do a swipe up and go to your settings, right? If you're not able to find settings here, you can simply type in settings in the search and you will find it. From here, you want to go to apps. So you want to scroll down until you find apps. You want to tap on that. You want to look for the message app within the list here. So you want to scroll down until you find message. You want to open up the message app here, right? So for whichever message app you want to set this for, you want to go ahead and select it. So I'm going to use the first one as an example. Then from here, guys, you want to go ahead and tap on notification. Just a point to note that you need to have your lock screen enabled. Now, once you have your lock screen enabled, you want to simply tap on that and ensure that it is allowed, right? Then from there, you want to tap on the section that says lock screen notification. Slightly below that, you can see it says show content. Simply means that when you get a message and the notification appears, the content will also appear. So if you tap on that, you will have it says hide content. So if you tap on hide content, it simply means that whenever you get a message, the notification will appear, but it will hide the content. And that's all there is to it.